Well, with this week's winter blast, it has a lot of us wondering if storms like this have helped put a dent in the drought plaguing our state.
And with more storms on the horizon here, we're taking a deep dive into the numbers with team coverage this evening. We're going to start things off with news specialist Jed Bull. He's joining us live right now. And Jed actually spoke with some experts on where exactly we are when it comes to snow and water.
Yeah, with the Utah Snow Survey. The storm delivered 1/3 inch of snow water equivalent and the same amount of precipitation averaged across the state. Jordan Clayton is the Utah Snow Survey supervisor.
That's an excellent boost. Obviously, we want that number to continue to rise, but that's definitely a nice boost.
The snow water equivalent statewide is 150% of average, but it will not likely stay that high. Here's one way to think about how much snow Utah needs to keep from falling further into water deficit.
We've got about 4 months to go until we get to our typical peak snowpack around April 1st. And we need about 4 times the snow that we have on the ground right now. So it's kind of like 2 fours. We need about 4 times what we've got literally in our mountains right now, and we've got about 4 months to get there.
That would deliver average snowpack.
Obviously, if we're going to rebound to the point where we're replenishing our reservoirs, making up for that deficit, we're going to need more than that. But if we could at least stay on track and have an average snowpack year, that would be really helpful.
We have not had seasons like that for several years. Last year, a great start to the snow season dried up in January and February.
We were doing so well up until right around the first week of January, and then the weather just turned off for about 2 months.
That's why the hydrologist is cautious with his optimism. But with a couple more storms in the forecast, we can hang on to our optimism for now.